Hello everybody, I'm Nick from Pixie Woo. Today's video I'm going to do for you is Megan Fox. Hope you enjoy. To start off with, I have Collection 2000 Perfect Finish Foundation. This one is in Natural Beige. Get a little bit on the back of my hand. And that's just going to even out the skin tone. I'm just using a Real Techniques buffing brush just to work that right into the skin. So I've got the concealer and I'm going to use MAC Studio Finish Concealer. Just going to run that under the eyes. Through the brow bone. And then any little blemishes. I'm then going to take Sleek Makeup Luminous Pressed Powder and pop that all over. Then got Illamasqua Pure Pigment in Furore, and I'm going to use a MAC 239 brush just to pop that right the way over the eye. Megan normally has a black liner through the lash line, and I've chosen Clinique Brush On Liner in True Black. I'm just going to take a Louise Young liner brush. It normally has a slight flick as well. I've got Urban Decay Super Curl Curling Mascara, and that's the majority on the top of the lashes. On the brows I've got Laura Mercier Brow Powder Duo and a MAC 266 brush. I'm just going to reasonably arch the brows because Megan's brows are quite arched. On the cheeks I've got a MAC Cream Blend Blush in So Sweet So Easy. I'm going to use the same brush that I used for the foundation. Just run that really softly on top of the cheeks. On the lips I'm going to use Avon Pro Luscious Pout. This one is in Pink Crush. I'm not going to use a lip liner with it, I'm going to use it straight from the wand. And I'm going to use my finger just to soften it. So it gives that kind of there, been on for a little while lipstick, but still in place. I'm then going to use a little bit of the gloss from the top, just in the middle, to make it a little bit glossy. So there you have the finished Megan Fox look. I hope you've enjoyed that, and have a nice day.